So everything's off right now. So you can turn things on. Doesn't really matter what order. The Chromebook turns on the top right corner. The TV, obviously, with the big red button or little red button. This is the way the TV starts up. So if you want to show what's on the Chromebook on the TV, you're going to choose HDMI 1. And then you're going to see what's on the Chromebook on the TV. So if you have this password, you can log in. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we get Chrome, and you can do what you want to do with Chrome, obviously. So you can go to whatever site you want to do. YouTube, you should be fine to do that here, or any other site. I mean, this is a full browser. You can do whatever you want. You can look at calendars and all that stuff, and you can find stuff to just display, kind of like you mentioned. If you want to do, there's full screen. If you wanted to do that, it's in here somewhere, right here. If you want to make things look like that, you just move your mouse to the top, and then you get back to your windows. So this is just Chrome. So you can do what you want to do in here. So let's see. I haven't really tested audio, but yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
So, and same, full screen, you want to do that.
Awesome.
Yeah. And all that other stuff should go away. This little box is going to be coming up often to tell you that you're mirroring to the TV. You can just close it.
Okay.
Get rid of that. Okay. So that's that. Chromebooks aren't super snappy. So just, that's just the nature of the beast. It's a $200 laptop. So it'll be a little slow. Watch out for that. To get out of this person that you're logged into, let's say you want to log in as your own profile, your own Gmail account. It has to be a Gmail account of some sort, a Google account. You click down here at the time, and this box gives you all the little things like sign out, turn it off. Those are the main things you're going to want, whether Bluetooth is on. And I have BeachNet Plus set up already on our account, so it's going to be connected. But, if you guys have trouble with that, let us know.
Thank you.
You can sign out and go back to, see, it's kind of slow. But
It's okay, we'll take it.
It gets there. And like I said, this thing comes up all the time, mirroring to and I don't know why it decides the TV is called 55S405 or whatever. So that's that. If somebody comes along, they want to use the Chromebook, they don't have a Gmail account, but they just want to get on really quick, Chromebooks have the beautiful browser's guest. It'll let you get in and just at least use a browser.
Okay.
Which is really handy. If you don't want to get that screen all loaded up with a whole bunch of people's profiles, you can just do this. You got a browser, you can still do everything you were going to do. So you can do it. We didn't have to log in. All we have to do is hit browse as guest. So that's also a really nice feature. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get out of this, exit guest. So the other options, that's the Chromebook, and that's this part. When you're done with that, you want to actually use some of the features of the TV.